Hey, there's going to be two videos in this unit 4, your career discovery lab. One right now where I go over the Capstone project, and then you're going to find one down here. Uh, it actually won't be a video assignment. I'm going to put it in here. No, that's not true. It will be another video assignment here. You'll see it here. So anyway, let's go back. So this unit is your final project, capstone project. It's an entire career exploration, and I'll go through the different parts with you here of it. But basically, you have lesson 16, which is digging deeper and choosing and justifying your career focus. And then there's different forms. You'll click on each one of these. They're kind of quizzes. Some of them are things that you submit. So it's kind of this lengthy process, and we'll kind of walk through each one of those things. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just make this whole video, and it will cover this part here. So watch. You get to see peek behind the curtain. All right, so it's going to be all of these things. So we'll just kind of click through. This is going to be a little longer video, but bear with me. So first of all, your capstone project. Let's talk about this real quick. And this outlines it. You have this. You can download it right here. Click on this, and it'll tell you to make a copy, and then you'll have all of this with you. So this entire unit is your career discovery lab, and this is where you're going to take everything that you've learned in this course and apply it to real life career that fits your interests and goals. So I know you've explored different things. You had to choose this, that, and the other thing. Now you can pick that one career, that acupuncturist career that you want to do. So maybe you want to be a yoga instructor. I don't know if it's on there or not, but do you know what I'm saying? So you can really explore that project. So the project purpose, these are the things that you're going to do. This journey is going to include step 1, choosing your career with purpose. Step 2, you're going to walk through a day in the life. You're going to figure out what exactly a day in the life of this job looks like. Step 3, you're going to see if this fits for you. Like, is this, once you've done that, like, do I really want to do this job? Right? Makes sense. So you're going to explore the bigger picture. Let's research the long-term info, the education required, the salary range, the job outlook, the promotional opportunity, or promotion opportunities, like how can you grow in this career, and more. All right. And then you're going to create a portfolio at the end. And this final product, your career discovery portfolio, is going to come in a number of different forms. You get to choose option 1, a visual career. Breathe. All right. So a digital or physical journal with 5 to 6 sections, and these are the sections. And you can add photo sketches, stuff like that. You can add those all within here, or you can have a separate set part. You're going to a career discovery zine, like a magazine, a mini magazine. Those are things you used to buy in the store and look at. You still see them in the grocery store, right? But a job candidate portfolio. So you're going to pretend like you're applying for the job 5 years from now. You have a future resume and cover letter. Why this career? Okay, so you don't have to do all 3. You get to pick 1, 2, or 3 to do this. All right. Here's your tips. Don't rush. Remember, this is a whole unit for this project, and there's step by steps and lots of guided forms that have been created for you. Use the tools that are there. Idaho Launch, Next Steps, Road Trip Nation, which I talk about in this unit, like, or earlier. Just use those things that are out there. Be creative. Number 1, be creative and be you. All right, that is the most important thing that you can do in this project, is be you. Let's scroll down. All right, let's go back. Let's go to the next slide here on this one. All right, so you're just going to choose your career. All right, next you're going to choose your career with intention. Right, so this is a quiz here. It's a long 165 points, but it's super easy. I can show you what it looks like. All right, basically this isn't like true or false or anything. Is like, what's the career you're choosing? Where'd you hear about this career? What caught your interest? You're going to answer these questions, and they'll say, like, this one is 2 to 3 complete sentences. What's your definition of success, and how does this career help you get there? Like, 5, what are things you already know? 6, blah blah blah. That makes sense. There's quite a few questions here. I guess there's 16 of them, but you answer them right here, right? Make sure you save these answers, though. Don't forget. You can, once you've done this, you can always go back and and get this again, right? But you're going to be golden once you finish this. All right, let's go back. Let's get out of this page because now that's the quiz. All right. Now we're back down here. All right. So that's your career guided choice. And then you kind of research and go through the day, and you can click on this and see what that looks like. It's another quiz. I did these in quiz format, and I did them in short answers, so you can just respond right here and show the answers there. And then after this one, it's just a little a submission page, and what you're going to do on this part of the assignment is you're going to create a timeline that shows a day in the life, and so you're going to do some research and figure out what that job looks like and go through each one of these steps, and then you're going to submit it at the end. Pretty straightforward. I'm not going to spend a lot of time. You can read this and explain it. I know you can do it. Look at this. This is your rubric. This is how you're graded. This is super important. Next step for this one. All right. Discussions, blah, 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 blah. We're talking about stuff. All right. So you're going to answer this question. These questions, it's all like just a reflection on what you've done, right? Just like the discussions that you've seen earlier in the class. Got it? Okay. That's lesson 17. Right? This is long. I told you it was going to be a long video, but that's okay. You can do this. Hang in there. Hang in there. All right, lesson 18, just some more stuff. Does this job match me? It's like a fit check, right? Like, is this what you want to do? All right, and rate yourself. Lesson 19, skills, jobs, future. So this is where you look at later on. And again, another little quiz. All this helps you put this all together at the end. And here at the bottom, this is where you submit your portfolio. And I've given you the instructions again that I gave you earlier. All right. And this video is going to be here. It's going to be there. It's going to be there. It's going to be in a bunch of different places. But the first place it's going to be is where you get to take this quiz. All right. And then that's it. I think there's a reflection at the end, which is, and maybe an assignment, a little survey, end of course survey and stuff like that, but that's about it. Reach out to your teacher, let them know, and good luck. You got this.